It will take about 20 years for global temperatures to go beyond the reasonable limit set by the Paris Agreement to fight climate change. To avoid this global environmental disaster, we need huge investments now. That's because infrastructure is needed and takes time to build, but once in place, it can reduce emissions durably for decades. Fighting climate change is not only the right ethical thing to do to build a more inclusive society, it's also an economic challenge. We need to rethink how our systems work. Alongside other scientists, economists are evaluating the impacts of climate change and designing new mechanisms that can support new regulation. The goal is to transform an economy that destroys the planet into one that protects nature. If you join us and study economics, you learn how to make that transformation possible. Because economics is about creating the tools we need to tackle the pressing challenges of our time.